The Subaru Love Promise has made a difference for animals and the people who love them. Through the Subaru Love Promise and Subaru Loves Pets initiatives, Subaru retailers have hosted adoption events across the country to help local shelter pets find loving homes. Retailers have also collected pet supplies to donate to local animal organizations. Subaru is committed to returning the love pets give us, and that's why we developed a collection of genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories to enhance your furry family members' comfort and safety when traveling. Wherever your journey may lead you, you can take the road in confidence. Genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories are engineered with the care and attention to quality, safety, and durability that all genuine Subaru accessories are known for. Please join us as we take a closer look at genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories, travel essentials for your four-legged friends. After all, your pets are part of the family too. Especially suited for senior dogs or dogs with mobility issues, the pet ramp allows your canine companion to easily enter and exit your Subaru without risk of injury from jumping in and out. The aluminum and plastic construction ramp includes rubberized feet to firmly grip the ground and help avoid shifting, and features a non-slip, high-grip ridged surface for safe footing in most weather conditions. The pet ramp easily extends and folds down to store in the cargo area when not in use. When your pet is entering and exiting the cargo area, help protect the top surface of the rear bumper with the rear bumper protector mat. Before you fasten your own seatbelt, buckle up your dog for safety. Uniquely designed in signature Subaru blue, the pet harness, manufactured by SleepyPod, combines a padded vest, seatbelt grade straps, and stress-tested buckles that work together to help prevent injury in case of a vehicle collision. The pet harness is crash tested at child safety seat standards and certified by the Center for Pet Safety. The harness is also designed for use outside the vehicle as a walking harness with a double D-ring connection to affix to a leash and reflective strips and logo for improved visibility at night. To determine the correct size for your dog, measure around the ribs just behind the front legs with a flexible cloth tape measure. Canine or feline, the pet carrier and mobile pet bed lets your pet feel right at home, even when on the road. This multifunctional, ultra-plush bed doubles as a carrier to transport your small dog or cat in comfort and includes Velcro positioning points to secure seatbelt straps when used as a car seat. The pet carrier and mobile pet bed is crash tested and certified by the Center for Pet Safety and designed in signature Subaru blue, so your pet not only travels safely, but also in style. Compact and lightweight, the Collapsible Pet Kennel, manufactured by Thule, is an easy-to-use alternative to cumbersome metal carriers and ideal for travel adventures and everyday transport. The kennel includes adjustable straps and carabiner hooks to mount the kennel to 4 lower mounting hooks in the cargo area in minutes. Constructed of durable, black polyester fabric and a steel tube frame, the kennel also includes 3 integrated zippered openings for easy pet access and 2 pockets to carry your pet's personal cargo. The kennel folds down and includes a carrying handle to easily transport when not in use and is available in 2 sizes, medium and large. Add a comfortable resting area for your pet while adding a level of protection to the cargo and seatback areas of your Subaru with the pet-friendly padded cargo liner. Designed with thick padding and a durable polyester shell, the padded cargo liner protects from pet hair, nail scratches, accidents, or spills, and is easily installed with durable, adjustable latches and straps that affix at various locations. Latch accessible, machine washable, and easy to vacuum or wipe down to keep clean. For the back seat of your Subaru, the pet-friendly padded seat protector features a smooth, tailored seat back and quilted seat pad to protect against muddy paws and pet hair, while keeping your pet in padded comfort. Designed without buckles or straps, installation is quick and easy, with removal and reinstallation of the headrests and repositioning of the seatbelt through a Velcro opening in the protector. Water-resistant and latch-accessible, the seat protector offers maximum coverage, is suitable for use with car seats and rear seat passengers, and folds down for easy storage when not in use. The custom-fitted rear seat cover keeps your second row tidy and is great for pets, kids, and life on the go. Made with a polyester front and polyurethane coated back, the rear seat cover is machine washable, water resistant, and latch accessible. Seat cover for second row captain's chairs and third row bench are also available for applicable Subaru Ascent models. Protect the center console lid from nail scratches and puncture holes while providing a comfortable armrest for front seat passengers. The console lid protector is manufactured with a rugged polyester exterior and multi-layered padded interior and is easily installed by slipping it over the console lid and securing it with 2 integrated elastic straps. To help keep the protector in place, the bottom surface is designed with a non-slip bottom. Show your love for your furry, scaly, or feathered family members with a Pet Lover license plate frame featuring a Subaru logo, paw prints, and the words Pet Lover embossed on the frame. Available in polished stainless steel or matte black. The frames are manufactured from heavy gauge stainless steel that will not rust or corrode. Wherever the road takes you and your four-legged companion, bring your pet's food and water with you in one convenient and portable container. The Pet Travel Bowl allows you to freeze water in the base to keep water cool and wet food fresh while traveling, and features a lid that doubles as a second bowl. BPA-free and manufactured with FDA food-grade silicone, the textured base design helps prevent spilling or tipping and is specially designed in distinctive Subaru blue. The Pet Travel Bowl is available in 2 sizes, small and medium. Subaru loves pets, and we know you love your furry family members too. As you prepare to take your four-legged travel companion on the road, keep them safe and comfortable, and add a level of protection to your Subaru with genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 3-year 36,000-mile warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details. The Collapsible Pet Kennel is backed by a 2-year warranty through Thule. Visit the warranty section on the Thule website for full details.